3, 2, 1.
Hello, everyone. Happy December. We are here in a group of 5 people, and we have prepared a little bit of a Christmas special for you. We are going to produce a video with short little tips around Power Platform, but not 1, not 2, 3, 24 actually, like a proper Christmas calendar. And just to give you a quick introduction who we are, my name is Michael. I'm focusing around Power Platform governance, and I will present to you a few tips around the admin center, about governance and compliance, all the fun stuff. And it's going to be awesome. And let me quickly give the word to my companions here. Marius.
Hi there, I'm Marius. I focus on integrating Dynamics CE. And in this advanced calendar, I'm bringing you some tips around Power Pages and integrating external users. Next one is Ambesh. Hi.
Yeah, thanks, Marius. So hello, everyone. Welcome to the Advanced Power Platform and Dynamics 365 month-long tips and the trick video series from my side as well. So a very good morning, afternoon, evening, or the night based on the time you're looking these recordings. I would like to say a great thanks to my co-speakers here to make the series alive and insightful. And basically from my side, I would like to speak in the next few days about the Power Pages, virtual agents regarding the architecture, setup, lesson learning, tips and trick, and definitely now the very burning topic, how to use the Copilot within it. I would like to then pass my bit into Joergen.
Thanks, Ambesh. Welcome everyone. My name is Joergen, and I will focus on the new topics in the Power Platform in Dynamics 365, focusing on especially Dataverse. That's my topic. And I'm really looking forward to what we will produce in the next 24 days for you, and which tips the other colleagues of mine will share so I can learn something as well. Handing over to Thomas.
Yeah, thank you, Joergen. So my name is Thomas. I am a little bit more the exotic person here. So I take care about Azure Communication Services around our platforms and show you what you can do and achieve here. And that's also my main focus, since I work with net meeting over OCS, Teams, and so on. And I hope that also will be a nice, interesting session. Thank you so much.
Don't worry, we include everyone in the mix. And just for you to know out there, we know that the December is a very busy month and there's lots of community content already. So we are creating very short videos so that you have the time in between a boring meeting or 2 boring meetings maybe to just quickly jump into the video and learn something new.